Hi everyone, Matt here from Carwow, and we've got a pickup drag race for you today. Yeehaw! Now, the reason we're doing this is because when we did our last pickup drag race, we had a V6 Amarok diesel, and all the other pickups were just 4 cylinders. People thought that's not fair. So we bought the V6 Amarok back, but this time we're putting it against this, the V6 version of the Mercedes X-Class. Also, we've got the tuned version of the Ford Ranger. It's the Ranger Raptor. And to keep things real, next to that, we've got the Big Daddy, the Ford F150 V8 Raptor from America. Hell yeah! So this Mercedes has a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel with 258 horsepower and 550 newton meters of torque. The Amarok also has a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel with 258 horsepower, but it has 580 newton meters of torque. The Ranger Raptor has a 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel with 211 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. That big American truck though, it has a 6.2 litre naturally aspirated V8 petrol with 411 horsepower and 585 newton meters of torque. Anyway, let's see what happens. Oh, before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon to turn your notifications on. Also, follow me on Instagram at @MattWatsonCars for some extra cool behind the scenes footage that you won't get elsewhere. Anyway, let's race. Great start. Oh, it's between me and the Amarok. Where's that big F150? Come on, Mercedes. No! No! Can I beat the Ranger Raptor though? Oh, I have. Can I beat the F150 though? Come on! Can I? Oh, I don't know. Blooming Amarok does it again. It's just the fastest pickup. Here he is. The Ranger Raptor. Poor thing. That is quite expensive. It's like £47,000. In fact, you can have that F150 with 30,000 miles on the clock for 50 grand. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Amarok crossed the line in 16.5 seconds. And despite having a 6.2 litre naturally aspirated V8, the F150 Raptor couldn't beat the X-Class. And both finished in 16.9 seconds. Last was the Ranger Raptor, which took 18.3 seconds to cover the quarter mile. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in automatic mode and in comfort setting. I'm going to count it in and we're going to floor it, see what happens. Okay then, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this took forever to kick down. The Amarok's off. In fact, the Ranger Raptor did better than this. Now I'm pulling it back in. I'm going to pass it. The F150's ahead though. Yeah, I think this is how this is going to play out. Amarok wins again. It's enough. This took forever to kick down when it's just in comfort mode. The Amarok was on it. That Ranger Raptor was on it as well. But this had more power in the end and just came past the Ranger Raptor, poor thing. Right, now we're going to have another rolling race, 50 miles an hour again, but this time the car in sport and locked in 3rd gear. See if that makes a difference. So, 3, 2, 1, go. It does as well. That Amarok didn't have such a lead and I got ahead of the F150 Raptor and the Ranger Raptor, which once again has been destroyed. But there's a theme here, and it's the fact that the Amarok is the quickest. Finally then, we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. And see what happens. This and the Amarok weigh 2.3 tonnes. The Ranger Raptor is 2.5 tonnes, and the big F150 Raptor is 2.7 tonnes. Here comes the line. Which truck will stop in the shortest distance? Bet it's not from America. my God! Has that F150 got any brakes? That is scary. It's about 30 meters ahead. Oh my God. If you buy that truck, first thing you do is fit a brake upgrade, because that is just shocking. Do you know what's also shocking? Blooming Amarok won again. It's won everything. Essentially, if you want the pickup truck that is the quickest and stops the best, it's the damn VW. Oh well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I can't believe how badly that F150 stopped. That is frightening.